Hey, what's up guys? This is Pramod here from ePramTech. So today we are going to unbox the Acer KG1 series 4K Ultra HD monitor. So this is the monitor we have. This is a 28-inch monitor and it has lots of features. It has AMD FreeSync and the response time of this monitor is 1 ms, which is great, and it is in a very better price segment. So if we talk about the pricing or the MRP of this monitor, it is 32,000 and it is worth it. So what I am running is I am running an AMD Ryzen 1500X processor and a GTX 1080. We are running one SSD and two normal hard drives, and we are powering this is an Corsair RM650X. So this is the cabinet we have. This is from Circle. So if you can see, everything is red here. So I'm rocking the red theme in my desktop. So without further delay, let us unbox this monitor and see what are all the box contents. So this is what we have. Okay, seems to be a very good packing. Okay, the very first thing that we see here, so guys, this is the monitor stand. I have to open this properly. So this is the stand of the monitor. Let me keep this aside. So this is the booklet. Okay, so we have a display cable here. See, this is not HDMI. So if you want to use 4K, 2K and good monitors with a good graphic card and you want to enjoy the display experience, you always have to use a display cable. The HDMI cable is morely for audio. It cannot give good video quality. Okay, so that is it. We take this out. So guys, it was one hell of a task taking all this out from the monitor because everything was using a sellotape. So this is what we got inside the box: display cable, power cable, monitor stand, some paperwork, and this is the monitor. So let me unveil this to you. Guys, this is the moment which I have been waiting since a month. So this is the monitor, guys. For the comparison, the monitor that we have here, it is a HP 24ES monitor. Even this is a good monitor. This is a 1080p monitor, but check this: 28-inch Ultra HD 4K monitor. So let me just quickly connect this to my desktop and then show it to you. And regarding the full review of this monitor, I'll leave a link in the description below and you will be able to check that. So let me just quickly connect this monitor and then show it to you. This is the monitor. I've connected it through the display cable that they have provided and using the power cable that was there in the box. Just to give a gist, this is a 28-inch 71 centimeter LED monitor. This is 28-inch Ultra HD 4K monitor, and the max resolution that it supports is 3840 x 2160. So it has AMD FreeSync technology, 1 ms response time. There is a blue eye shield. It will not affect the eyes even if you are switching off the lights and then using it. It has flickerless technology and it has a comfortable viewing position. When you check to the ergonomics of the monitor, they are very good, well built. This gives a look to the monitor. It gives a very good look and very premium feeling. And that is it, guys. So if you want to check the red theme that I have with my monitor, I'll just switch off the light. So if I switch off the light, so this is how I do my gaming. I mean, I love the red theme. And okay, so here it is. So this is how I game. If you check my, just check it. So if you want this monitor, I'll leave the link of this monitor in the description below, as well as the dealer from where I got this monitor. I stay in Hyderabad, so I contacted the main dealer and then got this monitor. So I'll leave his contact details in the description as well. And you can join the Telegram channel, which will be in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please do wait for the full review of this monitor, wherein I'll play a few games and I'll tell you what is the FPS. And that is it, guys. Have a great day. Bye.